Audio Jungle.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we are going to see the slider and lifter undercut calculations. Let's start with the undercut. What is undercut? Undercut is a feature of injection molded part which prevent its ejection from the mold. In case of the two-plate mold, we can't eject the component if there is undercut. To remove this part, we can use the slider and lifting arrangement to eject the component. Undercut can usually of two categories: external undercut and internal undercut. Sliders are used to pull external undercuts and lifters to pull the internal undercuts. Now we are going to see the solution for the undercut. For internal undercut, we can use the lifter or split core or collapsible core. So by using this method, we can remove the internal undercut and we can eject component easily. In case of external undercut, we have to use the angle pin, cams or hydraulic and a pneumatic system so that we can eject that part after removing the external arrangement of the hydraulic and pneumatic arrangement. Now we are going to focus on lifters. Features such as ribs, bosses, clip towers must not be placed in the way of lifter motion. Depending upon the size of the lifted feature, we must have to follow the three things: the lifter body, second is the lifter stroke, and third, clearance room to the next feature. These three requirements really depend upon many factors, including the overall size of the part, the depth of undercut to be pulled, shape of the feature that are pulling, and the style of lifter used. As a rule of thumb, if just a typical hook or snap are pulled, we have to leave 30 mm of room for lifter body, stroke and clearance. Now in the figure we can see tan alpha is equal to the undercut upon the stroke length. We can see in the part to be filled by the undercut to be removed by the lifter. So X is the undercut, then stroke length. Normally stroke length is considering 150 mm and alpha is the lifter angle. So if we calculate the tan theta is equal to hypotenuse upon the adjacent side, that is x upon 150 mm, that is undercut upon the stroke length. Undercut is equal to x and stroke length is equal to, we are considering 150 mm. We can also see the another diagram for more information. Here we can see beta is equal to alpha plus 2. That what is 2? 2 is the to reduce the friction between lifter and the main body. So we are providing the 2 mil extra, and for the lifter travel we are providing 5 mil clearance, that is x plus 5, that is a lifter travel distance. And for the lifter moment we are considering lifter block plus the lifter travel distance, that means lifter block plus x plus 5. For getting the better understanding, you can see this diagram. Thank you.